Sandra, you booth this year, EMO. It's a bit different. You've gone more focused, haven't you?
Yeah.
So this is all about heat-resistant alloy machining. Can we talk through the products on here, please?
Yeah, yes, we already say we are now focused on the material groups and components. Everything on the table, what we show here now, are especially for this materials, and this is our best solution. I think at first we start with the new PVD grade. We have different kinds. YBS 103 especially for high performance cutting and turning application. YBS 203 we can take for turning application and for milling application, and we got the 303 series especially for high feed application with indexable milling bodies. And the one thing what we want to offer is a full range for the customer to collect the completely application from finishing up to roughing.
Sure, you've got everything from simple ISO inserts to the holders, high feed, yes, right up to these new solid carbide tools.
Solid carbide tools are especially for high alloy, Inconel applications and for Hastelloy applications. So with the outstanding high performance, we can increase the cutting speed dramatically.
And what's the target segment for that? Obviously aerospace, but would it be inside an engine or other components?
So we focus on the aerospace sector, but also for the engine sector. So the typical component you can see here, but we want to cover the full range of heat-resistant materials.